The Pigeontientic namis, Kalinas nicobarica, which means beautiful, and oinas, which means dove. And it is indeed a beautiful dove. Nicobaricamians, that it's from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Fun facts about the Nicobar pigeon. Nicobar pigeons have a very muscular gizzard, the second stomach of a bird used for grinding food, and can eat some hard nuts that humans can only open with a hammer. The Nicobar pigeon is also known as the hackled pigeon, white-tailed pigeon, or vulturine pigeon. The Nicobar pigeon is a striking bird native to Southeast Asia. These beautiful birds have a mane of hair-like feathers and iridescent coloring in metallic blue-green and coppery reflections. The males have a small black knob at the base of their bill. Mangroves and lowland forests in Southeast Asia, from India eastward, on the Nicobar Islands to New Guinea, and in Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines.